How to save project in Capcut PC? You just have to open Capcut on PC, and after that you need to create any project. After creating any project and making necessary changes on it, you can easily save project in Capcut PC by two ways. For that, you just have to click on the menu icon at the top left of the screen. Here you can see back to home page, and after that your project will be easily saved. After that, the next way is you can go to CapCut PC again, and after that at the right side of the screen you can see the X icon. Simply you can click on this exit icon, and after that your project will be saved again. So that's how, by following the two ways, we can easily save project in CapCut PC. So I hope video was helpful. If this video was helpful, then hit the like button, subscribe, and thank you for watching.